Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and locating your image. Make sure battery is above 20% and network is available. Then pick the photo you want from Gallery, Downloads, or the Themes app. Once ready, open Settings, tap Display, then Wallpaper. This takes you straight to selection. You do this because system wallpapers and app images behave differently. Selecting via Settings ensures you can apply to Home, Lock, or both. Now tap Choose and move on to cropping and positioning. You now crop and position precisely. Use pinch to zoom, drag to move, and set the visible area. This determines how icons interact with the image. Once framed, pick whether to apply to Home, Lock, or both. Tap each option to preview how widgets and notifications look. If your Xiaomi model offers parallax or motion, toggle it on or off depending on battery preference. Static saves power. After confirming the preview, press Set Wallpaper to lock in the change and return to the home. You finish by verifying the result on both home and lock screens. Swipe around and open apps to confirm alignment. If the wallpaper reverts or won't stick, make sure the Themes app hasn't overridden system settings and check Power Saver or security apps that can reset backgrounds. Once done, clear the Gallery or Themes cache, reboot the phone, and reapply. This resolves most stuck wallpaper issues. If problems persist, try a different image format, like JPEG instead of hike, then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.